guys, we will make calamay hati, guys. Calamay. I don't know, guys, but I forgot already. I forgot already how to make calamay, guys. I forgot. No, it's not forgot, guys. But by the way, we are forgot already to make calamay. You know, calamay. Calamay hati, guys. That's forgot already. Okay, yes, that's our calamay, guys. Calamay. We need to mix calamay, guys. Calamay is like this. You need to mix to the calamay. You mix calamay, guys, is good. And then after that, you put also a little salt para hindi siya masisira. Little only, guys, for the taste. This is the calamay, guys. Mix the calamay first. Mix the powder. Ito, guys, ang matrabaho talaga, guys, magluto ka ng ganito. If you cook this, calamay is like this. You know? Okay. Just put this. This mascobado is from Philippines, from my country, Philippines. Ganyan ako, guys, magluto ng calamay. Yeah, Philippines calamay. This is the best way to make calamay is mascobado. This is our calamay, guys. Okay. Hindi pa nanonood ang calamay natin, guys, no? Need to put also a little sugar, sugar. I just put only, guys, mascobado and sugar. That's all na, guys, no? This job is not easy to do it because this calamay, we need to shake. Let's shake. Para guys na hindi siya guys na ano, masunog. You just mix, mix, mix. If you don't know, just mix only guys. What happened this sticky rice? Ano to guys? Powder rice. Sticky powder. Okay. Glutinous rice. But it's not easy to do it. Yeah. Too much work this one guys, you know, because we need to mix it, mix. Okay, mix. Wow, it's so hard. Okay, that's all guys. This is the Calamay hati guys, so that's why you need to put a sugar. But the sugar is red, okay? Okay. Kapagod oy, I'm so tired. Okay, tired for doing this one guys. Okay guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I like this one. Wait. So, a little bit guys is cooked na guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope you enjoy and God bless. Wow, so sticky. Oh, no. Ito na guys. Sobra talaga dyan, guys. Too much sticky, my gosh, guys. I don't know. You need to put a little, guys. Because too much sticky. I can't. My hands is so very... See? You need to put another coconut oil, coconut milk, guys, because it's too much sticky, guys. My goodness. Yan. My hand, I cannot. Ugh. See? Because my hands is painful for mix. That's why we need to put a little. Again, coconut milk. Too much sticky. Thank you, guys. See, it's already ano na, guys, because it's too much. I put 2, ah. Guys, done na yan, guys. Pero inaano lang natin yung ano niya. Napared lang natin siya. Yung sugar niya become red, guys. Okay? Kaya, hindi na siya masyado sticky, guys. Kasi I put more sticky rice. That's why. But then I put now. Too much sticky. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's already done, guys. It's red already. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. I'm Cecil Bilbao 40. Thank you so much all my friends out there. This is Calamay, guys. Calamay hati. Okay, guys, thank you.